Hello, and welcome back to my channel, friends. In this video, we are going to discuss the very important and core documents of your visa file. This document shows that how being well, you are financially. This is very essential document for almost all developed countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, European countries. Visa. As you already see in the thumbnail title, this document is called bank statement, your financial proof. If your bank statement is not well maintained, then you can be faced negative result of your visa application. Today I am going to give you some tips that will help you to maintain your bank statement accordingly. But before starting tips on that, appreciate my efforts by subscribing my channel. And if you find helpful information in this video, then please do like my video as well. So let's coming back to the topic. Friends. First of all, I'm sure if you are businessman or ding job, you must have bank account. If not, then you must open it now. Tip number 1. For those who take salary in cash or do business in cash, stop doing it by cash. Use your bank account for it. Tip number 2. Always pay your expenses through your bank, debit or credit card like your grocery bill, utilities bills, fuel bills, educational fee, hospital bills, etc. Avoid paying in cash. Tip number 3. Keep your saving amount in your bank account and try to increase it every month. And make sure you have handsome or reasonable closing balance at the time when you are applying for visa. Tip number 4. Make sure your tax returns justify your bank statement. Means pay your proper tax with the help of your tax attorney or lawyer. Tip number 5. You must have documentary evidence of source of income. Either you are doing job, you have employment letter, or doing business, you must have national tax number NTN. Dear friends, if you follow above tips to maintain your bank statement, I am sure when you apply for visa with that maintained bank statement, you will get positive results of yours. Visa application. Don't put heavy amount in one go in your bank account. It could be result of serious consequences. Just before visa application, build and maintain it gradually, as I told you in my tips. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comments section. Stay tuned and watch my videos if you are interested to make your visa file stronger. Good luck.